Hey guys, Sam from BallerBBQ here. Today I'm going to show you how to cook spare ribs on the pellet grill. So let's get into it. So here's my rack of pork spare ribs. I'm just going to trim them up a bit. There's little bits of bone and stuff hanging off them. So I'll just cut all that off. And I'm just going to get rid of any bits of fat on there as well, just the hard white fat. This one's actually looking not too bad. A little bit there, just cut that out as well. So that's looking all good. So now we're just going to pull that membrane off from the inside of the ribs. It's easier to do this with a paper towel. And then you can really grip onto it and just strip it straight off. And hopefully it will come off in one piece. Now you can leave that membrane on, but you won't get a super soft bite. That membrane tends to go kind of hard, so it's best just to get rid of it. It can be kind of tricky to get the membrane off, so just take your time. So once you've trimmed all the fat and bits of bone and pulled the membrane off, I like to put a little bit of Dijonnaise, and I never used to do this, but I've just started the last few ribs that I've done, just putting this on and giving it a rub over. It just helps the rub stick to it a bit better, and it just adds a little extra bit of flavour as well. It comes out really, really good. I'll rub that over, just really thin, nice and even. Then just grab your favourite pork rub and sprinkle that on. I like to put quite a bit in there, just so that it forms a nice bark on the ribs. Make sure you get the sides as well. Then we'll flip it over. And again with the mustard. Rub it in with your fingers. And then put the rub on. So today I'm actually doing up 3 racks of ribs, so I'll just do the other 2 off camera for you, so you don't have to sit through that. But I'll do all that, and then I'll see you shortly. So once you've done all your ribs, bring them out to the grill. So I'm initially going to smoke these for 3 hours at 225 or 110 degrees Celsius. And I'm just going to put those ribs straight on the grill. And I'll leave it in there for 3 hours. So after 3 hours, you just want to check the ribs and make sure that they're starting to form a nice bark, and you're looking for a really nice looking mahogany sort of colour. Now once that bark and colour is formed, we're going to take the ribs off the grill, wrap them in tin foil. If you want, you can put a little bit of liquid in there, like apple juice or apple cider vinegar. Today I haven't got any liquid in there, but just put them on the grill for another 2 hours. Now it's been 2 hours, so I'm just going to open them up, and they are looking super tender. I need to try and flip them over, because now I'm just going to put a barbecue sauce on, and then we can just let that sit in there for a few minutes just to kind of set the sauce. But these are almost falling apart as I'm trying to turn them. So now I've just got a Traeger sweet heat sauce that I'm just going to pour on there and just brush over evenly. And that's the sauce. So we're just going to leave in here for about 20 minutes just so that the sauce can set. You can flip them over if you want and do the other side. I'm not going to bother because these things are so tender they're just falling apart, and there's enough flavour on them with that rub. Look at those, they look so good. That sauce is set on there and there's a nice bark formed from that rub. Look absolutely delicious, so let's take them inside and try them out. Okay, so here's the first one that just falls apart. Nice bit of smoke in there, nice colour. Give it a taste. Okay guys, so that's how to cook pork spare ribs on the pellet grill. I'm taking these over to a mate's place now and can't wait to eat them, they're going to be so good. So we'll catch you next time. If you haven't done so already, make sure you subscribe, hit that notification button and then you won't miss out on anything that happens on the channel, and we'll see you again next time.